Shall we move to the next part?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, like I told you in the previous, you can say slide. Yeah, phoneme. So you can say from phoneme we have, so
Onset.
like yeah, onset and rhyme. So if you move on from some smaller to bigger, phoneme, then onset and rhyme, then syllables and word. So what actually is onset and rhyme? Okay. So the initial consonant or consonant sound. Okay, that's why I put here S here. It can be initial consonant sound or consonant sound, because two consonants producing just one sound can be possible here. Okay, of a syllable is called the onset. So onset and rhyme is a part of syllable. If we break a syllable, we get onset and rhyme. Not the rhyme you have in poems. Okay, not RHYME. Okay, please keep that in mind. The spelling is also different because we are talking about something else here. RIME, not RHYME here. Okay, onsets and rhymes. So if you just look at this, you will get it right. The part of syllable that contains the vowel and all that follows it is called the rhyme. Okay, so when you have to break a syllable into onset and rhyme, so what you need to remember is you just need to check the vowel. Okay, and the consonant that comes before the vowel, that is the onset. It can be a single consonant, or it can be like we can say a consonant sound, two consonants together. And from the vowel, okay, vowel and all the remaining part is the rhyme. Okay, so the example will make it more clear to you. See, in the word bat, okay, what you see here, bat, and I have put this one in slash. Why do you think I have done this? Mm-hmm.
This is
Yes.
the onset.
Mm-hmm. Why I have put this B in two
It's
slashes here? This one.
Sound, ma'am.
Yeah,
by
this
Sound
sound.
phoneme.
sound. Okay, it's a
Yes.
phoneme. Okay,
Yeah,
so we have
phoneme.
already discussed in the last session. This is a phoneme. Okay, when we put inside slash, this represents not the letter but the sound. The sound here
Sound.
is b, right? B.
But sound.
Yeah, in the word bat, b is the onset, and
Onset. If
yeah,
80
so
is the rhymes.
80, yeah, is the rhyme. Otherwise, if we have to break it into phoneme, again, this will be two, isn't it? Eh and cha
Yeah.
will be
Yeah.
different. But for rhyme, it's just the one that follows the vowel and the vowel itself.
And
Okay,
the
so
walls.
yeah, A is the vowel and all that follows.
And
So
the
after the vowel A, what is there? The sound T.
T.
Yeah. So
Sound is there.
this one is the rhyme. Okay,
Rhyme.
onset and rhyme. This is how we have
Rhyme.
to break us, because bat is a one syllable word, isn't it? This is a word as well as a syllable.
Syllable.
Yes, it's a word as well as syllable. Okay, and what we need to remember and tell children as well, because you can say in all syllables there has to be a vowel. Okay, vowel sound is always there. Sometimes the vowel itself becomes a syllable. Okay. Okay, let's look at one more. The word bring. Okay. So what do you find here? Again, this is
Sound.
not a phoneme. Okay, not a phoneme, but a sound produced by what this is a sort of, you can say, blend, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Consonant blend. Okay.
Yeah. Mm.
Yeah. So this one is taken as onset because
Because it's before the walls.
yes, it's because this one comes before this vowel.
Before the.
Okay? Yeah, the vowel I here, right?
Mm-hmm.
The vowel sound E here, ring, E,
Mm-hmm.
right? So this is the onset. And ing is the rhyme. Ing, the ing
Right.
sound is the
Mm-hmm.
rhyme. So
Rhyme.
this is how this syllable, again, how many syllables are there in this word?
Ring. Just one.
Just one, right? It's a one syllable, right? One syllabic word. So we
Yeah.
can break this as onset and rhyme in this way.
Rhyme.
Yeah. So rhyme is, you can say, the vowel and
And the following
follows. Okay, all that
follows
follows. It's a rhyme, R-I-M-E, rhyme. Okay. And the letter or the consonant that comes before, okay,
before
the vowel is the
the
onset.
concept.
Okay, so shall we try another word? Okay, one not given here. Let me take, what should I take? Okay, so we will take this one also. Can you see this? Okay,
Onset.
Onset
yeah. So
itself.
from
Okay.
this, if we take this syllable, okay, onset's a two syllable word, right?
Set. Yeah. Yeah.
Isn't it? It's a two syllable word. So if we take this one, the second syllable, okay,
Set.
sets.
Yeah.
So what is the onset in this syllable?
Just the S one. S.
Yeah. Okay, the sound.
S
Okay,
letter. Yeah.
yeah, this one is the onset and rhyme.
Rhyme is E
ETS.
T S.
Yeah.
S.
ETS.
So that is the rhyme because the vowel here and all that follows. Okay. And if you take this one as well, the second one, yeah, rhymes. If you take the word rhyme itself, onset,
R.
yes, and rhyme,
IMES.
IMS. So, okay, IMES, IMS is the rhyme. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Onset and rhyme, is it clear to all?